This piece is called Raven's Resonance, and this is a quantum activation art piece. It is designed for specifically to help with healing the throat chakra. I made this when I was struggling a lot to voice my true authentic self, when I was still masking to try and fit in because I felt so different than everyone else, like people wouldn't understand me. And this piece has helped me to really open up, and I love how like the throat is just the brightest part here, even of the raven. And it has helped me to heal. It does come with a quantum audio activation, 20-minute guided activation to open your throat chakra that I create for you specifically. This piece is texturized. It is multimedia. You can actually feel the 3D texture on it. It is a limited edition because it is a board edition. And it is now available on my site if you are working through your own throat chakra healing and activation. This activation is so tremendous. As you can tell, I'm talking nonstop now, and I'm okay doing it. I feel safe and secure speaking my truth. I feel safe setting boundaries and really speaking them out loud to other people, where previously I struggled deeply with expressing my boundaries. I was very much a people pleaser, and it was something that I learned through trauma. This piece also is really unique because I had never ever drawn a bird in my whole entire life, and it just came to me and I just drew it. Also, fun fact is that birds, crows especially, always follow me. No matter where I go, there are birds, and they're typically crows that are around me, and I talk to them just like I would talk to you right now. And I think that that's part of the magic within the birds, is that they always sing their song. They're never afraid or don't care what people think. They're never quiet themselves. They always are authentic within themselves.